in this session we will see exercise 6.1 of square and square roots. The first question is there: for the given number, write the unit digit of square of it. And so first number is 81. So 81 has the last digit 1, and so unit digit will be 1 square is 1, so 1, 272. So last digit is 2, and so 2 square is will be 4, and so its unit digit will be 4. 799 has the last digit 9, and so its perfect square 9 square is 81, and so perfect square last digit will be 1. 3853 last digit is 3, and 3 square is 9, so unit digit of a perfect square of 3853 is 9. 1234, so last digit is 4, and so 4 square is the 16, and so last digit is of its square is 6. 26,387 has last digit 7, and so its perfect square last digit will be 7 7s are 49, so 9. 52,698, its last digit is 8, and so its square last digit will be 8 8s are 64, so 4. 99,880, so last digit is 0, so 0 square will be 0, and so unit digit will be 0. 12,796, so last digit is 6, 6 square is the 36, so unit digit of the square is the 6. And 5,555, the last digit is 5, so its square last digit will be 5 5s are 25, so 5. Question 2 is there: why these numbers are not a perfect square? So we know that any number is a perfect square if it's ending with the 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 with even numbers of 0. So any number ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0 can be a perfect square. And if 0 is there, it will be an even number of zeros, means 2 0 4 0 like that. Say 1057 has the ending digit 7, which is not lying in 145690. And so it is not a perfect square. Same way, 23,453 last digit is 3. It is not a square of 3 is not a square of ending digit of any perfect square number, and so it is not a perfect square. 7,928 same way. Here 8 is not an ending digit of any perfect square number, and so it is not a perfect square. 2,22,222. So here 2 is not a perfect square of not the ending digit of any perfect square, and so it is not a perfect square. 64,000, so 0 is there, but here 0 if we require in even numbers, here 3 zeros which are odd numbers, and so it cannot be a perfect square. Again 2 is not a ending digit of any perfect square, so 89,722 is not a perfect square. 2,20,000 zeros are there, but 3 zeros are there. It is not even number, so it is not a perfect square. 5,50,050, again 0 is there only one time, which is not odd time 0, and so even time 0, and so it is not a perfect square. Now question 3 is given, observe the pattern and give the answer. So 11 square is given 1 to 1. Now 1 0 1 square 1 0 2 0 1. So we can see that 1 to 1 is there. But between 1 0, so between these numbers 1 1 0 is there. 1001 square, then 1 2 1 is there, but between two zeros are there. So here also two zeros are there. So here again 4 zeros are there. So between 1 and 2 there are the 4 zeros. So 1 2 3 4. And here also 1 2 3 4. Now here between two numbers 6 zeros are there, and so it will be 1 after 6 zeros, then 2 and again 6 zeros and 1. Again next question is observe the pattern and give the answer. So 11 square 1 to 1. 1 0 1 square 1 0 2 0 1. 1 0 1 0 1 square is 1 0 2 0 3 0 2 0 1. So we can see that the number of times 1 is repeated till that we write, and then after reverse digit again same digits we are writing, and the number of 0 we are keeping 1 1 0 between each. And so here 4 times 1 is there, so we will write 1 0 2 0 3 0 4, then start reversing. So 3, then 2, then 1. Here we can see the largest number is still 5 is goes, so 5 times 1 and between 1 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 is there and it's square. The next is given that observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. So 1 square plus 2 square. So we can see 1 2s are 2. So 2 square is given here, and 2 plus 1 we do, then we are getting 3 square. Here 2 square plus 3 square, so 2 3s are 6 square is given, and 6 plus 1 we do 7 square. So first two numbers are multiplied and third number is returned, and in third number 1 is added and answer is returned. So here 3 4s are 12, so 12 square is returned, and 12 plus 1 13 square. So here 4 5s it will be 20 square, and 20 plus 1 21 square. So here 30 is there, so 5 6 are 30 square, and 30 plus 1 31. So 6 7 are 42 square, and 42 plus 1 43 square. Now the next question 7 is there, without adding write the answer. So we know that the number of odd numbers we add, then n odd numbers we add, then its answer is the n square. So here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 odd numbers are added, so its answer will be 5 square, which is 25. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 odd numbers are added, so its square will be 10 square, so 100. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 numbers are added, so 12 square, it is 144. Now question 8 is there, express 49 as the sum of odd numbers. So 49 equals to 7 square, and so first 7 odd numbers we will add, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So these numbers addition we can check. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25, 11 36 and 13 49. Same way the next question is there, 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 is the 11 square, and so first 11 odd numbers we add, and 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 21, and so this numbers addition will be 121. Now question 9 is given, how many non-perfect square numbers lies between two number square. So we have studied that between n square and n plus 1 square. The number of non-perfect square equals to 2n. So first question is 12 and 13. So 12 square and 13 square, between that non-perfect square equals to 2 into 12, 24, 25 and 26. So it is 2 into 25, 50 and 99 square and 100 square. So it is 2 into 99, 18 carry 1, 198.